Okay, I don't want to take up an awful lot of computer space on this. I have not got a lot of stuff. Note, Aowen back here, but I wanted to make a quick comment about what happens when you face up stage. I'm grading an awful lot of things from stagings from Henry V. And in a lot of them, it's people have put Henry at the front of the stage. And I get it because Henry's the most important person, put him down there. But the problem is that if you put him here and you have most of the other characters back there, then he really can't speak to them. Actors used to do this deliberately to actors that they hated, and that's called upstaging. It's when somebody needs to turn upstage in order to speak to them. So I'm going to imagine that I'm Henry, and I'm going to speak to some of my soldiers, and just wait until you hear what happens. Once more into the breach, dear friends, once more, or close the wall up with our English dead. In peace, there's nothing so becomes a man as modest stillness and humility. But when the blast of war blows in their ears, do you see what's happening? What's happening is it sounds much clearer when I am looking at you. When I turn away like this, you can't hear me as well. Turning away from your microphone, not such a great thing. So consider that when you're staging, it's just not that great of a thing. So anyway, that's really what it is. Think about where you place people in terms of practicality.